Hi children, already we have seen about Chotu's house. Now I am going to read a lesson. Listen carefully. Here Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. Look at the picture here. Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. In this picture we can see that. Here Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. He is standing on the road. He doesn't know anyone in the city of Mumbai. And see here, at once what happened? It started rain heavily and everyone running here and there to hide. But he doesn't know anyone in the city of Mumbai. So he took the cloth and covered his body and sat on the footpath. And here, while walking on the road, he saw one pipe. He thought that the pipe is enough for me to live. And he divided the pipe into various parts. One part will be a kitchen, another one for bedroom. Like that he divided the pipe. After 2 days he came out and he saw another one boy. His name was Monu. He also came to Mumbai for search of job. And here Chotu asked to Monu to live along with me. And they became friends. They made the pipe as their home. Study the picture carefully and answer the following. Study the picture carefully and answer the following. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? When Chotu saw the pipe, he thought it was a good place to make it his home. Chotu saw the pipe, he thought that it was a good place. It was a good place to live. How did Chotu use the pipe? How did Chotu use the pipe? Chotu used the pipe to live in. Chotu used the pipe to live in. Into which part did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? Look at this picture. He used the floor for the pipe to sleep. He used the floor for the floor of the pipe to sleep, and he used the upper part to dry the cloth, and he cooked food just in front of the pipe, and also he kept one tank in front of the pipe, and he made one shed. He made one shed outside of the pipe. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of the time? In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of the time? Chotu would like to spend most of the time of his under the shed with his friend Monu. Under the shed, this is shed. He will like to spend the time in the shed with his friend Monu. Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Yes, Monu had also come to Mumbai for the first time like Chotu. So Chotu invited Monu to live with him. Turn the page. Draw a picture of your house in your notebook and color it. Draw a picture of your house in your notebook and then color it. Who all live with you in your house? Who all live with you in your house? In my house, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, and my sister. And you to write it about your house. Here Chotu divided the pipe into different parts. Write the names of the different parts of your house. You have to write about your house. Here I am going to write about my house. I have bedroom, study room and kitchen, washroom, balcony. Right here about your house. Listen here. How much time in a day do you spend in each part of your house? How much time in a day do you spend in each part of your house? For example, myself I spend about 2 hours in study room and 2 hours in the kitchen, 8 hours in bedroom. Like this Like this, you to write that how do you spend your time in each part of your house. Is there any part of your house where a particular member of your family spends more time? Is there any part of your house where a particular member of your family spends more time? Yes, my mother spends more time in the kitchen. My mother spends more time in the kitchen. Is there any part of your house where a particular family member never goes or goes for a short time? Never goes or goes for a short time. For example, my grandmother never goes to kitchen. Is there anyone at your home never like to spend a short time in a particular place? Write it here. You must have seen that some animals also live with us in our houses. Some of these animals live with us because we want them to, while some are they uninvited. Listen here. Some animals can live with us, such as pet animals and domestic animals can live with us, but some animals can be with us without inviting, like a lizard, cockroach and mosquitoes. Those animals called uninvited animals. And now let us read a poem. The poem title is Home Sweet Home. You always tell me, mother, the house belongs only to us. But how do I believe that, mother, when I know it belongs to many more? Here the child is asking to mom, you said that the house is only belongs to us. How should I believe that when it belongs to many more? Here, now let us see who are the many more people the child is talking about. Look, mother, how these mice are all playing catch together, and look how these mosquitoes fly. And anyhow, peaceful lies the happy spider. And look, mother, at the lazy lizard, how slowly it crawls to and fro. And look at so many black ants all marching in a row. And look outside in the courtyard, the birds are all peeking about, just like when my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel and shout. Here the boy is talking about mice and mosquitoes and spider, lazy lizard, ants and birds. In this stanza he is telling about, he compares the birds with himself and his sister. When my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel and shout, like that the birds also shouting outside. That is why I says, dear mother, don't think this house is only us. Don't think this house is only us. It's dear to us and all who live here. It's dear to us and all who live here, like uninvited animals. This is called uninvited animals. And have been living for many years. Next, turn the page. Here, draw picture of any two animals that live in a house uninvited. Write their names below the picture, like a lizard and cockroach. Anything you have to draw here and then write the name here. Do you keep your house clean? How? Do you keep your house clean and how? How do you keep your house clean? Yes, we broom and mop our house weekly twice. Next, whenever it's get dirty, we will clean the house. Next, we will throw the garbages to the garbage collector regularly. We clean our washroom daily and clean the kitchen each time after use. Next, who all help to keep your house clean? Who all help to keep your house clean? Yes, our mother and grandmother. Sometimes we too will help our mummy to keep our house clean. Where do you go to freshen up in the morning? We will go to washroom. Next, where do you throw the garbage of your house? Where do you throw the garbage of your house? We throw the garbage of our house in the dustbin. Is the area around your house clean? Yes, the area around my house is usually clean. Do you use a toilet in or around your house? Yes, we use the toilet in our house. Who cleans it? Sometimes our mother, grandmother, and we too will clean our toilet. Next, how do you help in keeping it clean? After using toilet, we want to pour more water. So, you to keep your toilet clean. Thank you, children.